Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your trusted spot for the latest high-tech gear that elevates your work and passion. Today, we're diving into something precision-built for professionals, students, and enthusiasts alike, the Vision Scientific Simul-Focal Trinocular Zoom Stereo Microscope. Let's get into what makes this microscope stand out in a crowded market. Right out of the box, this isn't your average microscope. Designed for industrial inspection, circuit board repair, biology labs, and gemology, the VS-5FZ-IFR07-5N offers a 3.5x to 90x magnification range thanks to the 10x WF eyepieces combined with both 0.5x and 2x auxiliary lenses. This kind of flexibility allows you to seamlessly switch between macro and micro viewing without constantly swapping parts or readjusting, saving time and improving workflow. The Simul-Focal Trinocular head is a game-changer. It lets you view through the eyepieces while simultaneously feeding a live image to a digital camera, perfect for live streaming, teaching, or capturing reference photos. And speaking of cameras, the 5.0 MP digital eyepiece camera included is USB-ready, offering crisp resolution that's more than capable for both analysis and documentation. The 144 LED ring light with adjustable brightness ensures your subject is evenly lit, eliminating shadows and enhancing detail. This is crucial when you're working with fine electronics, inspecting welds, or analyzing biological samples. Combined with the double-arm boom stand, you get full-range motion, letting you maneuver the scope over large or irregular objects with ease. Durability is clearly a priority here. The entire unit is rugged and made for heavy-duty lab and industrial use. From metalworking and watchmaking to dental labs and forensic analysis, this microscope adapts to whatever you throw at it. In a world where detail matters, this microscope delivers professional-grade performance without costing the earth. If you're serious about clarity, flexibility, and workflow efficiency, the Vision Scientific VS-5FZ-IFR07-5N belongs on your desk. If you found this review helpful, consider using the link in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated with the best tools and tech in the industry. Until next time, stay sharp.